ladies, we're going to finish this workout with the Zumba routine that we learned last week. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, let's make this with the pregnant ladies. Let's go, ladies.
Hey, Dad. Today I have my first shift at the hospital, so I was wondering if you could pick me up right now because I want to be there on time. And there's all these weird pregnant ladies coming in, so if you could pick me up as soon as possible, that would be great. Every time.
Check out these ladies.
You want to teach this class?
Yeah.
We'll teach this class. Why don't I teach this class? These are pregnant women. All right, ladies. We're your kind of instructors, and I'm John with an N.
I'm John with an H-N.
And we're going to go and introduce ourselves so we're familiar with each other while we do yoga, okay? Yeah.
What's up? Hey, I'm Kylie.
And I'm Susie.
And we're 5 months pregnant.
And we're so pumped! That was really weird. And, whoa.
I'm Mary. And I'm Kate.
And I'm Ashley.
And we're Sister Wives.
We want our kids to be due on the same day.
October 3rd.
And I'm Brock. Hey.
All right, Jumpy, you can go.
Hi, I'm Emma, and I'm like 2 weeks pregnant, and you can already see my stomach showing.
Oh, yeah.
Like,
It's
seriously.
like round. Yeah, I see. That's so stupid. All right, so you can go now.
I'm Hope, and I'm 14 months pregnant.
Come again.
I'm Deborah. And
I'm Johnny.
and this is our first. We were due yesterday.
We're so excited. Okay, and what's happening right here?
Oh, hi, I'm Lindsay, and this is my husband, David. And this is number 17 in the oven. And I'm just so proud of our little creation.
Totally. Okay, stand up because we're doing yoga.
You got it.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna do this thing called stretching. Who knows what that is? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Stop doing that. Okay. We're gonna touch our toes now. That's what we're gonna do. So just reach down, touch your toes. Touch your toes. All the way down.
You gotta want it! Get down! Touch the toe! You gotta want it! Come on! There we go!
Good job.
Hey!
Okay, this was a really bad idea. Everyone stand up. That was a bad idea. And let's stop. Okay, we're gonna do this thing called the tree pose now. So that's when we take our left foot, this one. Everyone, left foot, yeah? Good job, Emma. And we're gonna put it above our knee and in our thigh. So like,
You're not doing it right! Fix the posture!
and then what we're gonna do, John!
Sicken me.
We're gonna pray to Jesus. Yeah? And then we're gonna put it above our heads. And then we're gonna do the baby dance, you know?
Focus!
Concentrate.
Focus.
Balance. Breathe. All right, now we're gonna do this thing called downward dog. So I'm just gonna have you guys all turn around.
Doing great.
And then we're just gonna go down. There we go. Oh.
I read a book on this.
Breathe in, breathe out.
Breathe.
You.
Just breathe.
Oh my God, what is